Okay guys, so over here we can see clearly that Bitcoin just broke the falling wedge on the 1 hour's time frame at this point right here. So where do we expect the price of Bitcoin to head next? So we can see clearly that this point right here is the resistance that Bitcoin Bitcoin has attempted to break to once you can see right here it attempted to break it the resistance right here. Also it attempted right here, but none of them was able to break that level. So as we have learned earlier, that the more failed attempts towards breaking a resistance or a support line, the stronger that place tends to be. Okay, so but what we are concerned here is our next focus about Bitcoin price. We all can see clearly here that over here we have another block right here. We have other block right here that Bitcoin just tapped into. This is the where we found the other block, and you can see that Bitcoin tapped into it here and it began its move up. Yeah, all right, I know guys, I haven't taught you guys about other block, but we will be doing it soon. Okay, so if you're really interested in learning that, please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we'll be dishing it out very soon. Okay, so you can see the market is quite bullish, and we can see over here that we left price imbalance right here. So I won't be surprised to see the price of Bitcoin coming back to fill this price inefficiency right here. Okay, so as well, we will be learning it in the next video that will be coming, or the upper one, but I'll be dishing it out very soon. You guys know how I do it. So our next focus will be where will Bitcoin price head next. So since we have broken the falling wedge at this point, so my next focus about Bitcoin is for it to rally up till this point before we will see any form of declination. Okay, or we all agree with me, the smart money trader agree with me that we have another block right here, because this is the move. This move down like this move is the move that actually broke structure right here. So we won't be surprised to see the price of Bitcoin getting to this point and then pulling back. I mean, something like this. When it gets to this point, then we start heading down like this. Okay, my bad. So that's just the focus. But if this point should hold again, assuming we have something like this, if this point should hold again, should serve as a resistance again, then it's going to be a very bad news, because we are probably going to see Bitcoin get down. But before we close this little analysis on Bitcoin, I need you all to understand that we have a lot of liquidity up here. So there's a lot of liquidity up here. So this price of Bitcoin might just get to up here just to trap buyers. Okay, just to trap buyers, and when it's done taking this liquidity above this falling wedge, what will it do next? After taking the liquidity, it will go down straight. The price will reverse immediately. Okay, so we should be careful about that as well. That's why we need to tighten our stop loss and do not see this as opportunity to buy and make that huge profit that you've been planning. Although nobody really knows what's going to happen next in the market, but I'm just telling you guys the possibilities and what you'll be expecting. So it might be just a liquidity grab. So it might take liquidity here. If it doesn't, then what it might do is that you should also expect that price might also decline when it gets to this point. My bad. So when it gets to this point right here, because we have other block right here. Okay, so like I said earlier, we will be having class on other block very soon. On our previous class, although I will leave the video, I will drop the video in your screen at the end of this particular video that you're watching. So the video about demand and supply will pop up. So if you haven't watched it, make sure to click it and watch it. It will be very helpful. Okay, so we have other block here. So the price might get to this level, which is 24.52. That is what I just got here, but it has disappeared. Okay, so the price might get to this point and started heading down, because there are a lot of liquidity right here, and this might just be a liquidity trap. Okay, you know how we say that if you can't find the liquidity, then you are going to be used as a liquidity. But let's assume that the price of Bitcoin wasn't strong enough to break this resistance that we have right here. that the price of Bitcoin wasn't strong enough to break this resistance that we have right here. So what would we be expecting? So we'll be expecting the price of Bitcoin to fall down heavily, like very heavy. Okay, so the next point where we'll be expecting it to hold will be around this. Okay, let's come to this side. So over here we have, okay, this is where we find the other block that I used to draw this what do they call this color, sky blue or whatever, or navy blue, what do they call it? So that doesn't really matter. So well, as you can see, we have other block right here, and also we have imbalance, a very big price imbalance right here. Okay, we have a very big price imbalance right here. So from here to here, and from here to here, and these areas has not been mitigated yet. So I won't be surprised to see the price of Bitcoin fall back to around 22.4k. okay, so this is the analysis for today. Stay tuned on my channel. I will be bringing out more analysis on more different coins. If you have any coin that you want me to analyze for you, just make sure to drop it on the comment section, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, because we are teaching how to analyze the financial markets right here, and we are also analyzing different coin depending on the demand. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Thank you.